Hello, welcome to Aviation 101 with Laura. It's April 2, so I'm excited to say that the FAA's new U.S. Agent for Services website has gone live on schedule. Good job, FAA. So this video is going to explain a little bit about how to register and designate your U.S. Agent for Service, which is required if you have your mailing address and addresses on file with the FAA outside the United States. And this video is sponsored by Valiair. Check out my other content about Valiair and how they are your preferred U.S. FAA agent for services. For one low cost each year, you can get them to be designated as your agent for service. So check them out. I will do some links in the video description to a playlist about what they do, how their service works, so you can check it out and preview it for yourself. So without further ado, what you're going to do when you get on the website is you're going to request a new user account and then fill in your information here. Okay, so right away I have run into a problem with their website. They don't have any security questions set up. So I don't honestly know what you're supposed to do here. Because it doesn't seem to actually work to let you do anything. So you have to set a password, and we shall see what is going to happen. Perhaps later today, this will get fixed. I'm not really sure for now. So I think it is impossible to actually go in and complete setting up your account until the FAA sets this up more. Although I might try on another browser to see if it's just Google Chrome it doesn't like. But I'm not sure. So unfortunately, my testing of other browsers has found that nothing else works either. So Edge doesn't work. So I will be emailing the FAA's web help desk and see if they have planned to fix this in the near future. So I'll be back with an update. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching Aviation 101 with Laura. Have a good day.